Welcome to my channel. Easy Wavlink Repeater login, default IP and password explained. 1. Connect to Wavlink Wi-Fi first. Before you even touch the browser, make sure your laptop or phone is connected to the repeater's default Wi-Fi. It usually shows up as Wavlink N or something like that. 2. Default IP to use. Open a browser and type 192.168.10.1. If that doesn't load, try 192.168.0.1. 9 times out of 10, the first one works. 3. Default login details. The usual combo is username, admin, password, admin. Some newer models just use admin as the password and leave username blank. 4. If page doesn't load, clear the browser cache or switch browsers. I've had Chrome hang on the page, but Edge or Firefox worked. 5. Wired connection trick. If Wi-Fi keeps dropping, plug your repeater into the computer with an Ethernet cable. Open the same IP and you'll usually get straight in. 6. Reset button. If someone messed with the password before you, hold the reset button with a pin for about 10 seconds. Lights will blink, and it'll go back to factory defaults. 7. Avoid mobile data clash. If you're trying on your phone, make sure mobile data is off. Otherwise, the browser keeps loading internet pages instead of the repeater login page. 8. Wrong network issue. Double check you're not connected to your main Wi-Fi instead of the repeater's default network. Stay connected to extender's network. 9. Update after login. Once you're in, check for a firmware update right away. Old firmware is buggy and drops connections a lot. 10. Change passwords. Don't leave it on admin. Change both Wi-Fi and login password after setup. This saves you from random people logging in later. Thanks for watching.